Welcome to another Thursday Thought. So the automotive industry is facing one of its toughest moments in history. The question is why? Is it the rise of electric vehicles? Is it the global slowdown? Or is it the advances in technology such as software-defined vehicles and autonomous driving? So first up, economic headwinds. In markets like the US and Europe, loan costs are at an all-time high and consumers are holding back. It's no longer about supply chain anymore, it's about affordability and demand. Secondly is the EV revolution. EVs now account for more than 20% of global sales, and in China it's up to 50%. Legacy car makers are really struggling and have found this transition really painful. Many of the traditional manufacturers are running two different businesses. One, an unprofitable EV business, and another profitable internal combustion business. And this is putting an immense amount of strain on these traditional businesses. Third is the technology shift. Cars are becoming computers on wheels, with more than 100 million lines of code and electronics in a vehicle that will soon be making up more than 50% of value of the vehicle. Automakers are struggling to become software companies. But the transition isn't easy and very costly, with billions being sunk into autonomous driving not helping their cause. So why is the automotive industry struggling? They're reinventing themselves on three different fronts all at the same time. The companies that survive are going to have to balance all three disruptions at the same time, faster than their rivals, and that's not going to be easy. Please like, subscribe, and follow the content if you want to know more. Here's another Thursday Thought.